So you want to use the same voice in Suno across multiple songs? Well, you've come to the right place because I'm gonna show you how. By the way, you may have noticed that this video is a collab. That's because I've got a new channel. I'm expanding the main channel to focus on other things other than Suno every now and then. But this other channel will always be about Suno or whatever happens in the AI music world. Go subscribe to that if you want to keep up with that. Anyways, let's talk about same voice things. And this process is extremely simple. So we're going to be using this classic country song that I made using the 10,000 Suno Prompts ebook by ChillPanic, link in the description. And I've also got 10 free prompts in the description, but whatever. And it sounds like this. But let's say that you really like the singer of this track and you want to use that same singer in multiple tracks. So all you got to do is go to the song that you want the voice from, go to the three dots and go to remix and go to voice. This used to be called persona, but now Suno is calling it voice instead. Why? I don't know. Ask the governor. He doesn't know either. What the fuck does the governor know about AI? So you just click voice, and then it's going to process the vocal stem. So it's going to separate it out from the instrumental so that all you have is the vocal. And once that is done, you can just name your voice. We will call this Faye Darwin. This sounds like Faye Darwin to me. And if you want to, you can select the region of the voice that you like best. I'm just going to leave it on the whole thing. Hey, mama. And you can leave the style or you can delete it. I'm going to delete it because I'm naughty. Sorry. You can either make this public or you can make it private. I'm gonna make this public actually. So if you go to my Suno account, you can use Faye Darwin for yourself. And now our voice has been created. Now, if you want to use this voice, all you have to do is go over to the little advanced thing over here. Instead of going straight to making your song, just hit plus on voice and choose Faye Darwin. And now we can get another prompt from the 10,000 Suno Prompts ebook. This time we'll go with Americana. Let's hear how that voice sounds with some Americana. I'll just get the first one. And we will paste that into the styles. Song about Faye Darwin being sad about being happy because she's so sad that she's happy. And just as a reminder, this is what the original voice sounded like. And this is what her voice sounds like with Americana. Happy about being sad about being happy. And if there's anything else you want to know about Suno AI, let me know down in the comments or I'm gonna dilly-dally till I can't dally the dilly no more.